In this video, we'll learn how to install Tricentis Tosca in unattended mode. Let's first start by understanding when we would install Tricentis Tosca in unattended mode. An unattended installation is necessary in environments that use software for automated and centralized software distribution. These environments depend upon setups that support unattended installation. Let's look at the prerequisites for an unattended mode installation of Tricentis Tosca. Before you start the installation, ensure to meet all system requirements. First, download and unzip the installation package from the download section of the Tricentis support portal. The folder where you store the Tosca executable file or exe file becomes your installation folder. Please make note of this point, as you will need to navigate to the installation folder and use its location as we move ahead in the demonstration. Next, let's see the command that we will use in the command prompt for Tosca installation. The /s in the command line specifies silent mode. Elements that require user interaction are not displayed. /qn specifies that Windows installer dialogs are not displayed during the installation. Also, make sure to replace arguments with one or more of the commands. Let's take a look at a demo of this process. First, launch the command prompt and type in the path of the installation folder as stated previously. Then type in the command we learned . Once done, hit Enter. Please note that at this point, an administrative window pop-up will appear after hitting Enter. Click Yes and wait for a few minutes for Tosca to install. Tricentis Tosca is now successfully installed on your system. Let's move on to look at some of the different arguments that can be used in Tricentis Tosca's installation command to perform various operations. Here are some of them. Add local. This argument specifies which optional features to install. Enter add local equals feature name and replace feature name with one of the following: Tricentis Tbox, Tricentis Classic, Dex Agent, Tosca BI Data Testing, Tosca Vision AI Engine. Please note that multiple features can be entered, separated by a comma. However, when the add local command is not used at all, then all features are installed. If none of the features are specified after the add local command, none of the optional features will be installed. Let's take a look at a few of the arguments and what they do. Diagnostics. This argument enables or disables Tosca diagnostics. Use the parameter diagnostics equals 1 to enable Tosca diagnostics, and diagnostics equals 0 to disable it. The default value is set to diagnostics equals 1. Enable Tosca data integrity. This argument enables or disables Tosca data integrity. The parameter with equals 1 is used to enable Tosca DI, and the parameter with equals 0 to disable it. The default value here is set to equals 0. Please note that Tosca data integrity usage may require additional licenses. Example workspaces. This argument installs example workspaces with tutorials. The parameter with equals 1 is used to enable the installation of the example workspaces, and with equals 0 to disable it. The default is set to equals 1. For more examples of arguments that can be used with unattended Tricentis Tosca installation, please visit the Tosca manual. You can find the link in the description. With this video, you learned how to install Tricentis Tosca in unattended mode. Similar to the installation process, you can also uninstall Tosca in an unattended mode without user interaction. Please access the link in the description box to learn more about it.